Hi everyone, my name is Hitesh Kalwani and good morning to all of you. I would really like to congratulate and appreciate everyone who has participated in this event and made it the most amazing event in the Hackmakers history. One of the participants has recently mentioned one thing that over 1,000 hands sculpting it for one greater cause, that what makes Hackmakers community strong. Let's talk about myself. So I'm a senior AI engineer at Webune. I'm living in Japan and I belong to the place named Jamnagar, which is located in Gujarat in India. And the main topic of this presentation is my journey towards the data science domain. And I will be sharing out, you can say, some of the amazing projects information which we are doing in Webune. So let's start. So I have done BTech in computer engineering from Gujarat itself, and the university was Charotar University of Science and Technology. I have 5.5 years of experience. It's a combination of software engineering as well as the AI engineering part. So this is the, you can say, tech stack on which I have done work, and usually I use this stack on my daily basis. So I came from a very humble background where my parents and my elder sister had put so much effort and sacrifices to make sure that I'll be getting the good education. In India, there are so many opportunities, but at the same time, the competition is so high. I sometimes I find myself fortunate enough because I got the guidance and mentorship from Dr. Bhushan Garware while working at Persistent Systems. He actually pushed me to explore the machine learning domain. Now, under his mentorship, we had participated in one technathon where we had to develop the traffic signal recognition module for driverless cars. And for the first time in my life, I had experienced that how complex is real life problem, because we need to put so much effort to identify the main cases. So there were so many corner cases also available, and my team had scored second rank in that competition. And by that time, I became so much fascinated about the data science domain. Over the period of time, I had been involved with multiple projects which eventually made me strong in this domain. And I was able to explore multiple other opportunities. I would like to share some amazing information about the projects on which we are currently working at WebUN. So let's start. So talking about Japan country, so it's the most wired country in the world. And if we talk about the digitization process in Japan, so only 10% of government procedures are online. And according to the survey, if Japan will not digitize its services on a large scale, then till 2025, the economic crisis will happen. Yeah, like there is a huge gap, but at the same time, the large opportunities of growth ahead. So, in this process, or to providing the solution to this cause, we have developed a SmartFlow project. So, what we are doing at SmartFlow? So, regarding the SmartFlow, we are digitizing the documentation process of industries by providing customizable workflows and complete online process with the website as well as the mobile first solution. For SmartFlow, back in 2020, we had decided to integrate the AI system, which can make it more robust, as well as we are actually replacing the reimbursement module of the industries, you can say, perspective, and we are making sure that whatever the solution we are providing, that is actually very much accurate. And we had developed the generalized solution for receipt data detection. So here, if I talk about the receipt data, so what we are actually doing here is we had developed generalized solution which actually targets all the receipts available in the Japan market. So we are fetching three things from it: the total amount of this particular receipt, on which date it issued, and what kind of receipt it is, whether it is related to the entertainment industry, whether it is related to the like restaurant receipt, or whatever. So if you just click the image and provide it to the SmartFlow system, we will identify the whole content, and the process of reimbursement becomes so easy because it will be automized. So here, if we look out the why cause as well as what we have done to reduce that particular problem, so we had identified that the generalized solution, or you can say developing the generalized solution, was not easy. This was the state of the art solution for our customer. Because of this, now they don't have to involve themselves into the reimbursement process. Due to this innovation, we got very positive response from our clients. We are always making sure that in the process of providing solution to the clients, empathy comes first from our side. So let's talk about the second project. So this is related to the e-commerce domain. So in e-commerce, the difficulties which people are actually facing when developing, or you can say building the e-commerce industry. So whenever the e-commerce businesses fail, or you can say go down, so one of the key reason is they are facing, like, the main thing is the visitors are not converted into the potential customers. That's why the sale never grows up. So what we have decided, that we will be providing this that kind of solution which can solve this problem. So here we have used data analytics and the cloud-based solution. So named is Monju. So it's, if I'll talk, you can say about Monju, or you can say summarize about Monju. So it's a brand communication system where it's it providing the cloud-based service for the e-commerce industry that realizes the optimal communication for each customer based on the brand understanding. What does it mean? It's a very, you can say, jargon thing, but yeah, what does it mean? So basically, the we are actually finding the customer's behavior on the e-commerce website and analyze that particular process. So we have summarized the whole process into three things, or three steps. It's tracking, analytics, CRM. So these are the three things through which we are actually identifying the customer or potential customer and convert them into the sales. So here in the tracking process, we are actually integrate the all the behavior data of the customer, whatever he will do on website or e-commerce website, so that we track down. And after that, in analytics process, we are providing the scoring and badges for genuine activities only. And then through CRM, we communicate with them and make sure that they will convert into the potential customer. So this is how we actually provide the solution for that e-commerce problem. Hope you will like this presentation. And if you have any question, doubts, or suggestion, then please connect with me on LinkedIn. Thank you. Thank you, and all the best for your hackathon. Goodbye.